Good afternoon, class. Are you ready for our next lesson? Okay. Is it clear for everyone that I'm sharing my screen? Okay. Good. So, class, what can you say about the pictures? Okay, good. Anyone? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Another? So, another questions? What did you observe in the pictures? Yeah. Okay, good. Next. Thank you. Another. Anyone? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So class, you already share your thoughts, your ideas about the pictures. And class, I want you to group yourself into 3 groups. Since you're 30 in a class, I want you to divide into 3 groups, which is 10 students in a 1 group. Is that clear? Okay. So class, choose your leader in a group so that he or she will be the one to submit your activity. So this will be your activity. I will pause the activity task in our Google Classroom and kindly submit on time, and please be guided for all the information there, all the directions. So I want you to submit it in a PPT. Is that clear? Any questions, clarifications? Yes, class, listen please. All the leaders will submit the PowerPoint presentation in our Google Classroom. It means, sa isang group, isang leader, di ba, meron isang leader. So, siya lang ang magsasubmit. So, i-attach ng mga leaders yung names nyo sa baba ng PowerPoint so that I can know kung sino-sino yung mga members. Is that clear? Okay na ba? Yes! Kailangan pa rin magtulungan, syempre. Hindi porket si leader na assign, sa pag-submit siya nagagawa. Please help your leader. So class, our topic for today is about acid rain. So what is acid rain? Acid rain, class, is one of the consequences of air pollution. It occurs when emissions from factories, cars, or heating boilers contact with the water in the atmosphere. These emissions contain nitrogen. What is acid rain? Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants, known as acid rain. Let's listen. Here's the causes of acid rain. Human activities leading to chemical gas emissions such as sulfur and nitrogen are the primary contributors to acid rain. The activities include air pollution sources emitting sulfur and nitrogen gases, like factories, power generation facilities, and automobiles. Volcanoes also is one of the causes of acid rain because volcanoes emit acid-producing gases to create higher than normal amounts of acid rain or any other form of precipitation such as fog and snow. Here's another reasons of acid rain: forest fires, volcanic eruptions, bacterial decompositions, and even lightning pump an additional 75 to 100 million tons. So class, let's proceed to the effects of acid rain. Here's the effect of acid rain. The one is the statues and the tablets that is made of bronze, limestone, marble, and sandstones. It also affects the metallic part of the building. So this is the important class you need to remember. All the buildings, houses, mansions, or everything, but if the acid rain will comes, it will destroy. Effects of acid rain can destroy our health. Why? Because it increases occurrence of asthma, lungs, and heart disease among children and elderly. Let's move on to the solutions of acid rain. Here's a one of a solution of acid rain. We need to use a less electricity. The less sulfur dioxide spreads from power plants, and fewer nitrogen oxide are emitted from tailpipes. So we need also to promote a clean coal technologies that integrate through washing to remove the sulfur coal and emit less pollutants. It is also required for us to use a catalytic converter, which is drastically reduces acid rain's content of nitrogen oxide, lead, and other toxic pollutants. In addition, the conservation of natural fossil fuels by using alternative forms of energy is one of the solutions of acid rain. This is a real-life example class. It is from Oakland University, Rochester, Michigan. So, the reaction of water with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides forms acidic compounds, speeding the status decay. As you can see naman, the results of acid rain. So, that's the impact of acid rain when it comes to our environment. It you can see in the picture, parang sunog siya, and look at the statuas. Parang nasusunog sila, and look at the trees, sunog din. So, it is cause of the acid rain. Any questions, clarifications, class, so that I can answer, I can clarify to you, so that we can proceed to our quiz. Anyone? Please don't be shy. So, are you ready for the quiz? Okay, good. So, our quiz is a modified true or false. And class, I will upload it in our Google Classroom, and I will give you a 15 minutes to answer. Is that clear? You can also write the answer or encode it and submit it in a Google Classroom or submit it through Messenger. Yes, it's okay. As long as you can submit. The time check, it's already 1:55. You have 5 minutes left to answer your quiz. Okay, time's up. Submit it, class. Okay, let's call it a day. Goodbye, class. Okay, bye. Thank you.